Hello people, so it's me, I'm back with another video. So it's now what, 13 degrees now, Celsius in Tokyo. And I decided that I'm gonna go out and ride some BMX. My initial plan was to go and ride some street. But I decided that well, actually I have two options. Three. I can ride some street, or I can go to the skate park when I went with my mountain bike. But that skate park opens at 3, and now it's 11, like 12 midday. So going there is not an option right now. Oh, let me open the door. Yeah, so going there is not an option right now. So there's a free skate park out in Shioama. I think this is in Chiba. It's maybe 14 kilometers away. So I'm just gonna probably go there, get some footage on the way, and then after that, yeah, I'll see what I can do. And for all who don't know, I haven't ridden my BMX in maybe, oh shit, in 10 months. I've ridden my BMX. So, I ride to Rome, but I've never actually taken it to a skate park in over a year. I came back from Jamaica in January, and then I went to the hospital and I did a surgery. I had a terrible break 2 years ago, so I removed some bolts out of my leg and I came back, and from then on all I've been doing is just riding mountain bike, because it was a little bit difficult for me to stand and pedal all the time. So now I'm bringing back the BMX out, dusting it off, and hopefully everything goes well. Let's just see what I can do. So here's my baby right here. Yeah, that's my baby, Sakura-chan. So, alright, so that's it. That's my introduction. See you in Shioama. Yeah, so I'm around roughly halfway there. And I stopped at the 7-Eleven to get some coffee. Got some nice 7-Eleven block coffee. It's really cold. Around this side, I think here's like maybe 12 degrees Celsius. And so I stopped here. Turn this camera around. At the 7-Eleven. Yeah. And right beside the 7-Eleven, this is like they call it a family restaurant or pharmacy. It's pretty interesting woodwork design, I guess. Look at that. It's Big Kudo Donkey. Yes. So this restaurant is called Big Kudo Donkey. So I think I have like maybe another 15 minutes or 20 minutes worth of ride. I took a very strange route. I got lost a couple of times. Yeah, my GPS keeps sending me to the highway. I don't know why, but yeah. Alright, I'm going to continue on my way. I'm going to finish up my coffee and continue on my way. Peace. So, 20 kilometers later and a cup of coffee, I'm finally here. So I haven't ridden my bike for like maybe a year now, so this should be interesting. Still feel a little bit weird. I've gotten so used to riding a mountain bike. So let me just give you a look around, and so this is what it's like. I wonder what my first trick of the day is going to be. Shit. Man, I'm feeling like so anxious right now. Shit, I have no idea what's gonna happen. Alright, let's go. that I have dialed. I've been doing this for years, dialed. And man, it's giving me a warm time right now. The entire bike feels weird. Shit, man, I've been riding too much mountain bike. It feels so weird, it feels so tiny. So, I'm gonna give it another go. Hopefully I can stick it with this one. Right. Too much big bikes. Oh, motherfucker. It's a little bit shitty, but so I think my wheel move. I'm gonna get like 2 more tries and I got it like smooth, man. This is a trick I could do with my eyes closed. Too much big bikes, yo. Now I have one more trick I haven't landed in over a year. I'm gonna see if I can land it today. Man, it feels so good to be back on the BMX. As weird as it feels right now, it still feels awesome, man. I'm fucking killing it right now. Well, not really. Yeah, man. So, all right, let's see if I can get this next one. Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. Almost. Oh. Nah, y'all. Wild. All right. I rode for like an hour. Now it's starting to rain, so my wife is on her way to pick me up. We're gonna have lunch. Yeah, I'm gonna get some food. I'm hungry, man. But wow, it's been a while. I mean, I haven't ridden as hard as I want to, but I'm just playing it safe today. Just trying to get back used to the feeling of the BMX. After that, then I'll just come back here maybe tomorrow or another day in the week and just come back and shred, you know what I mean? My wife is here. I'm just gonna put my bike in the car and go get some lunch. Gonna get my grub on. Here she is. So, put my bike in the car, go get some lunch. Look at that. What? So I stopped here earlier this morning. It's called Big Donkey. Look at the dessert menu. What? Yeah, so going in, go have me some grub.
Finally, you get food. Friday morning は
Okay. So I got the first part of my order. This is some vegetables with mayonnaise and a tomato, sesame seeds. There's a little bit of lettuce in there, shredded lettuce. Waiting on the rest of it. Alright. We got ourselves. See, little dirt didn't never kill anybody yet, you know. Yeah. I keep telling her, you know, you need to give your body, give your immune system work. You know, if no work, immune system can't get strong, you know. So I got me, potatoes, fries. It's like a special mayonnaise. Oh, yeah, still like a child. Stay young, people. Stay young. Stay young. Baby, relax now. What's wrong with you? 大丈夫よ。大丈夫。The world kitchen is not. The world is not clean.
ミニサラポテトディッシュ、こちらで、はい。ハンバーガーのコロコロステーキです。こちら熱いですのでお気をつけください。これがステーキ用のおろしソースになりますね。ライスとお味噌汁でございます。はい、別に持ってきて大丈夫。このままかけちゃって大丈夫でしょうか。すみません、失礼します。まだ足りなかったら言ってください。はい、少々お待ちください。
So this is Hamburg and korokoro steaky. Got my rice, and she got what's that, babe?
Poke salad pocket dish.
Poke salad dish.
Poke salad pocket dish.
So that's like Hamburg. What's it? Is there anything inside the Hamburg or it's just Hamburg?
Potato salad and cheese.
Oh, inside? Oh, so inside this is potato salad and cheese. Wow. Alright. This is some good stuff, man. Oh, and I forget. Wow. This is miso soup. Oh. Really good. Very good steak. It's like radish and soy sauce. Pretty good. It's like hash browns, kind of, and potato salad. It's all good, man. This is the Hamburg. Wow. Good stuff, good stuff. Very good. So, just finished eating. My belly's full. I'm cold. And I'm sleepy. I'm going home to sleep. Yeah, but so far today was a good day. It was fun, you know. Finally brought out the BMX. You know, I still had some tricks. I did some tricks. Yeah, meet some riders. So, until next time, stay rad, stay wild, and stay awesome. Peace.